My dear friends, now is the day of the test. Look at this frame. This is one very old AYK made in Japan, Tokyo, 1985, I believe. 83, 84, 86, doesn't matter, a lot of years ago. And now we have a test. 4 independent suspensions. Fantastic. Oh, comment, like, and subscribe. Goes a little bit on the right. Those dogs are really unpolited. Come on. It's very easy to overspeed. It's not so easy. But the suspensions are fantastic because the car is absolutely attached to the ground. It makes a wonderful sound and goes very fast. And this very little tiny servo is fantastic. Ooh. It has this, perhaps tires need to be washed. I didn't rate them, and it's so soft. Let's see brakes. We have no brakes. Almost no brakes. And the alu front lights, they do really shine. Yes, brakes a little bit it makes, yes, of course. We are not no brakes. Wow, goes very fast. As usual, my truck is too little. Now tires are going to be better after a few turns. And I think that it will be always better and better. You are looking at something exceptional. This is a very rare, old, super technical vintage RC car, and it drives better than so many other cars. Boom! I was lowering myself and lost control. It's under. Come on.
Center point.
Okay, it wasn't in the center of the trim. You don't have to leave the throttle when you make turns, otherwise the car slips. So always take a little bit of throttle. Stop and then go. Stop, and you saw. It's always better. Super quick. Oh, wow, look at this. Boom. It's not too easy. It's not easy driving down because I don't see where the circuit is. And the car needs some care because she doesn't go straight and I have to compensate with the wheel. Yes, but it's so silent. It's really... Ooh. I have to stop in this way because we have no brake. Ooh. Let's try a ride on the car. Hello. My dear friends, this was the test. Short test, not so fun, not because the car is... No, the car is really super, but as it is super, as it's very complicated, it requires a very good setting. The fact that spins so suddenly depends from the setting of the suspension, of the dampers. On the rear, it's too hard, so it's very slippery. And on the front is too soft. So the car grips on the front and slips on the rear. And this is one. Second, toe in, toe out, perhaps opening the wheel. It will be easier to drive. Third, very easy from the radio. Slower the steering servo. That is so tiny, but it's fantastic. Then what? Tires. Wash and perhaps some liquid to soften, perhaps. And test, work, test, work. After this, I think that the registration of the slippery of the differential. There are a lot of things because the car is very complicated, and perhaps one day I will concentrate on this. By now, I'm very happy and very proud to be one of the lucky owner of this fantastic piece of art, of technique. And after this, thank you very much for watching. If you want, comment, like, subscribe, the bell, dream, beep, but it's okay. I'm happy enough. Ciao.